4-4 and 4-5 just asks us to prove the triangles are congruent using the congruency statement. So number 7, state whether triangles are congruent. Make sure you prove the theorem, naming if the triangles are congruent. So let's take a look at A here. It is always best to label it. So here we have a side and an angle and a side here. Here we also have a side, angle, and a side here. So this is one of our properties. So you can say this is congruent by side, angle, side. Let's take a look at B. Okay, isn't B the same thing? It is. Side, angle, side, side, angle, side. So this is congruent with side, angle, side. All right. Let's do C. Okay, we have an angle here. We have an angle here. We need to know if this is congruent. This is congruent by the reflexive property, and this is side. Okay, so angle, angle, side, angle, angle, side. This is how these two triangles are congruent. And then we have D. We have angle, side, angle. This one is also angle, side, angle. So we can say this is congruent by angle, side, angle. So that's it. All right. Those are how you prove that they're congruent.